Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, your go-to destination for exterior house inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at one of the most versatile and beloved architectural movements, modern American style house design. Whether you are building from the ground up or looking to elevate your home's curb appeal, this comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know about this iconic aesthetic. Modern American style house design is an architectural blend that merges traditional American residential forms, such as craftsman, colonial, farmhouse, and prairie styles, with contemporary design sensibilities. Rather than sticking strictly to historical rules, it reinterprets classical shapes with clean lines, minimalist trim, open floor plans, larger glass openings, and updated material palettes. It balances cozy, welcoming warmth with sleek, sophisticated modern functionality, making it a timeless choice for modern family living. The primary benefit of choosing a modern American style house design lies in its exceptional balance of timeless aesthetic charm, everyday practicality, and enduring market value. By combining classic architectural proportions with modern energy-efficient building materials and large windows, these homes offer bright, light-filled interiors that seamlessly connect with the outdoors. Furthermore, because this style draws from timeless architectural principles rather than short-lived trends, it maintains high resale appeal, adaptability for expanding families, and a welcoming presence that never feels outdated. Decorating the exterior of a modern American home requires a thoughtful balance between subtle contrast and warm architectural accents. Start by creating a strong focal point around the main entrance using a prominent wood-finished front door, framed by modern sconces or hanging lantern lights. Enhance structural depth by pairing crisp neutral siding, such as white or soft gray, with dark, contrasting window frames, black metal gutters, or natural timber brackets. Integrate structured landscaping using neat boxwood hedges, gravel pathways, low-voltage accent uplighting, and natural stone veneer accents along the foundation or entryway columns to ground the home visually into its landscape. The best elements of a modern American house design incorporate high-contrast color palettes, mixed exterior cladding, dramatic roof profiles, and large multi-pane windows. Incorporating materials like horizontal lap siding, vertical board and batten, standing seam metal accents, and stacked stone creates rich texture across the facade. Architectural elements like front porches with clean columns, steep gable roofs, black-framed grid windows, and timber header beams give the home structure and distinction while maintaining an inviting atmosphere. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best modern American style house design ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one. One, elegant transitional estate with stone siding and black grid windows. This grand two-story modern American estate features a striking blend of off-white dry stack stone masonry, crisp white trim, and a high-pitched dark shingle roof. The front elevation showcases soft arched window casings, French doors opening to an upper balcony, and a covered portico entry anchored by symmetrical lantern sconces and low-profile landscaping. 2. Modern farmhouse rear elevation with indoor-outdoor living deck. A brilliant display of modern farmhouse architecture featuring pristine white vertical board and batten, siding offset by bold black window casings and matching trim. The layout emphasizes seamless outdoor entertaining with massive glass pocket sliding doors opening onto an expansive timber deck, complete with an integrated outdoor kitchen and covered porch. 3. Two-story modern prairie house with wood accent panels and cantilevered roofs. Drawing inspiration from modern prairie and contemporary style, This two-story home utilizes clean horizontal lines, warm wood look exterior panels, smooth white render, and light gray stacked stone pillars. Broad overhanging roof eaves, a glass panel garage door, and ribbon windows give this facade a sleek, high-end look. 4. Contemporary country craftsman with grand covered front porch. This stunning single-family home features classic dual gable ends combined with a broad metal-roofed wraparound front porch. Built with light siding, dark roof shingles, exposed stone fireplace chimneys, and black window grids, the home exudes warm suburban charm with a clean modern finish. 5. Flat roof contemporary villa with integrated underground garage. A luxury modern architectural concept featuring multi-tiered flat roof lines, crisp white stucco walls, and low-profile stone retaining walls. The design makes clever use of sloped terrain with an integrated subterranean garage, glass balustrades, recessed exterior accent lighting, and manicured turf borders. 6. Modern two-story residence with cedar siding and upper terrace. This contemporary rear layout features a perfect balance of warm horizontal cedar cladding, white textured stucco, and dark steel beams. The upper level includes an open-air balcony terrace with built-in planters and slatted timber shading, overlooking a lower patio dining area and open lawn. 7. Pacific Northwest modern home with sloped shed roofs and dark siding. Nestled in a pine woodland setting, this mountain modern home utilizes dark gray horizontal siding paired with warm timber entry accents and sloped metal shed roofs. Floor-to-ceiling windows and illuminated modern garage doors fill the front elevation with a warm interior glow. 8. Modernized shingle-style gable house with floor-to-ceiling glass facade. An impressive architectural statement featuring twin soaring gable structures wrapped in light gray shingle siding, connected by a dramatic two-story glass breezeway. Huge black-framed window walls allow natural light to flood the central interior staircase while creating a glowing centerpiece at night. 9. Classical neoclassical American villa with double-height columned portico. A modern take on classical American Southern architecture, this home boasts a sweeping symmetrical front facade highlighted by a dramatic two-story portico with crisp white columns, black window shutters, a center upper balcony, arched attic window dormers, and manicured boxwood gardens create high-end curb appeal. 10. Modern craftsman ranch with mixed material facade and timber porch entry. This wide single-story modern craftsman ranch mixes white brick masonry, dark gray metal roof accents, and dark board and batten siding. A prominent timber-framed front entry gabled porch serves as a warm centerpiece, complemented by dark wood window headers and dark roof shingles. Modern American-style house design continues to lead home trends because it honors classical heritage while completely adapting to modern family lifestyles. By thoughtfully mixing materials like natural stone, warm wood tones, crisp siding, and sharp black accents, you can achieve a sophisticated look that stands the test of time. If you love these modern American house ideas, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment telling us which design was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more home exterior inspiration every week.